Boarding the airplane.
Asan ba yung ID mo kanina?
Tabunan, lagay ka ng lagay ng damit. Uy, Juris, you talk ah.
Akong airplane guys, charot.
Are you excited?
This is my adoring brother.
Oh, move here, move here.
Wait. Wait.
Juris, move here.
Hey, let's go. Stop, please.
Ang pihit naman ng baby namin.
The suitcase are lovely.
Juris. Juris, do not hold that.
Guys, I'm excited.
Juris, do not hold. Juris.
Wait.
Hi, good morning.
Anong sa Stephen? 24? 24. Wait, baby. Alis na lang dito si Stephen.
Excuse.
Dear guests, kindly be seated
Juris.
according to the seat numbers shown on your boarding
We are
pass.
inside the
We
airplane.
discourage
Ay,
unauthorized
isa
changing
pang
of seats
guys.
due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in overhead compartments and small items under the
Guys,
seat in
medyo
front of
may
you.
upo.
Thank you.
Nak, may budaw? Sorry.
Sa mga mahal namin panahon, ay ang inyong mga malalaking daladalahan sa overhead compartment. Samantala, ang mga maliliit na daladalahan ay maaaring ilagay
Dito na ako.
Tayo.